Hello and welcome to this video about modernizing your Informix application, part of Arkin Software Technologies Legacy Modernization Series. You can reach us at info@arkinsoftware.com if you need more information. We start this video by showing how Arkin's conversion approach transforms a two-tier client-server Informix 4GL application into a multi-tiered Java JEE application compliant with current architectural standards. The left side of the diagram you see here shows the Informix application structure, which follows linear programming concepts, consists of window code, controller blocks, main program, declarations, functions, SQLs, procedure calls, and related elements. Now, these applications follow character user interface where complete user interaction happens through the keyboard or command function keys. The complete UI processing, business processing, and data processing are combined into a 4GL client. These are all single user applications and maintenance will be a nightmare. Whenever any client code is modified, the entire client exe is to be redeployed across all users, or the user interface processing on the client side and business logic or data access is coded in the form of stored procedures and running from the database. During conversion, our tools automatically segregate the two-tier code into multi-tiers. That is, user interface processing separately, business logic or business tier separately, and data access separately. Here we would like to highlight the character user interface scenes get transformed into a RIA Technologies compatible graphical user interface. Even our tools segregate stored procedures into respective layers. We would like to bring it to your attention that Informix 4GL has reporting features where reports have been developed using these features. Our tools can transform such Informix 4GL reports into Oracle PLSQL based reports or Cognos or other Java reports. The database can remain as is, or our tools can automate the migration of a legacy database to a chosen target database, which includes metadata and data migration. As part of our conversion approach, a single monolithic application can be segregated into independently deployable modules, which makes maintenance easier. The downtime can also be brought down drastically. In case of a monolithic application, the entire application to be brought down for any maintenance activity. In such a scenario, end users will not have access to it. Whereas in the case of modularization, only functionality related to that module will not be available. That way, the impact to end user can be minimized and it can be ensured that the application will always be available. We will also ensure that the migrated code is ISO 9126 compliant and within the constraints of migration. All code will also be subject to Sonar-based code reviews. We have been delivering services for mission-critical IT applications to clients in 11 countries since 2004. We are also CMMI Level 3 appraised and ISO certified for most of our existence. We are an IT services company with focus on delivering complete solutions. Our engagements are typically fixed cost and based on predefined milestones. We are a world leader in our migration services. We transform applications to web architecture so that they can sit in the cloud infrastructure and be accessed through any device. We have also developed a robust automation framework to modernize many client-server systems like Oracle Forms, Power Builder, Visual Basics, Informix 4GL, Unibasic, Unidata, and many more. We even consider many Java applications as legacy if they are built on client-server architecture or on pre-JEE app servers. We have invested quite a bit in intellectual property, developing and improving automated tools, incorporating new open source accelerators, and developing process templates. Our approach to modernization evolved from two key aspects. One, applications must live in the enterprise for 15, 20, or even 25 years. To accomplish that, we apply pretty solid software engineering and coding standards. The second aspect allows business changes to reflect on applications during and after migration with the help of automation frameworks for migration. Besides migration, we offer many other IT services, including product engineering, testing, test automation, and a complete ERP solution for financial markets for Central Securities Depository. That is just about who we are. Arkin Software is a recognized powerhouse for application and database migrations. We have facilitated over 50 million lines of Java code in production. And in this process, we covered all popular technology stacks like Oracle SOA Suite, WebSphere, JBoss, and Tomcat, among others. We cover a variety of frameworks like Modular MVC, Struts, Spring, Hibernate, and Log4j. We also support a wide range of database technologies like Oracle, Informix, Sybase, DB2, SQL Server, and MySQL. We have experience deploying on a range of operating systems like Solaris, AIX, HP UX, Linux, and Windows. Last but not least, we have delivered solutions to a range of industries like financial services, hospitality, high tech, retail, insurance, manufacturing, and education. Our migration framework is the outcome of the effort of hundreds of consulting years. The framework has three pillars: a set of automated tools, a bunch of accelerators, process templates, and finally, the experience of our team that facilitate factory-like precision. Using this framework, we have been successful in all the projects we have executed so far. We assure up to 80% cost savings and 70% faster time to market. Arkin Software's unique approach to migration is that our approach is architecture-centric. That means we start with the desired architecture and migrate the legacy to that desired target. We do not impose one-to-one migration because migrated applications must live for another 20-25 years, which is only possible if they are built on the right architecture. Nobody likes applications that may look like Java but still stink like legacy. Let's look at the automated tools. As you see here, it is not just one, rather a set of tools, each serving a specific purpose in the migration lifecycle. There are the three converter tools. Graphical User Converter moves legacy GUI into web structure or thin client GUI with a similar look and feel. Code Converter converts business logic of the legacy code. The DAO Converter converts SQL calls into a chosen persistent framework like Spring or JDBC or such. Besides these, there are two extremely important tools. The first one is the Analyzer. It is this tool that helps us even if there is a limited or non-existent documentation and application knowledge. This tool dives through legacy code, builds metrics and relationships to help our team understand the legacy complexity and accurately estimate the migration effort. The other important tool is the traceability generator. It maps legacy and auto-converted code blocks in a spreadsheet. It serves as a beacon for consultants to look out for code blocks that need manual attention. As much as we like, no migration can be 100% automatic. There are areas that need manual attention. One such is refactoring, where the auto-converted code is manually moved to different layers of the chosen architecture. No matter how efficient the conversion tools are, it is not possible to conceive a migration project without manual effort. The reasons are many. Mainly, the way technology works on legacy and Java is very different, with implicit functionality like event handling and widgets. Non-conformance with OOAD principles, bottlenecks in code, unused and dead code to be eliminated, SQL code in the client side are some of the issues which do not lend themselves for a complete automated migration. Likewise, refactoring to suit a chosen architecture and expected performance metrics will also necessitate efforts from skilled migration experts. On top of it, legacy concepts do not map properly to migrated code, as incorporation of exception handling and logging frameworks would require manual intervention too. These are samples from a set of activities associated with refactoring exercise. Finally, verification and validation is a significantly intensive effort from both the migration team as well as the end users. And with that, we come to the conclusion of our short and quick presentation on Arkin Software's migration approach for Power Builder applications into Java using our automation tools. Please contact us at info@arkinsoftware.com for a demo of our tools and a further discussion. We will be happy to provide you a free estimate for your legacy application migration. Now, there is no need to live with uncertainty. We are here to make your migration initiative a success. Thank you.